Namaste students, Vidya. I JVN Dr. Chandrakala, Assistant Professor Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the gymnosperm. Gymnosperm are simply a seed plant that are not angiosperm. This means that they are grouped by what they don't have, or the gymnosperms do not bear fruits and their seeds are not enclosed. Gymnosperm literally means naked seed, as their seeds are not enclosed in the fruit. The nutritive tissues of the seed of all the gymnosperm is the megametophyte, and they do not have endosperm or storage tissues. There are four phyla of gymnosperms. One group is Natophyte, was once thought to be closely related to the flowering plants. Today, the relationship of these four groups are to each other to the flowering plants are still unclear. Some of the terminology you have to learn before going through the chapter. Like micro means suffix that originally denotes small, but in botanical sense we take it as the meaning for here male. Microspore, mother cell. So microsporocyte, or we can say diploid cells, which is destined to undergo a meiosis to produce microspores in the seed plant. Microsporangium, sporangium that bear microspores. In seed plant, the synonyms to that of the pollen sac. Microspores, spore that develop into microgametophyte. Microgametophyte in seed plant, this is the pollen grain. So microgametophytes in seed plant, this is the pollen grain. Microsporophyll is the modified leaf that bear microsporangia. Example from the seed plant include the stamen, flower, or the subunit of the pollen cones of the conifer. Microsporanginate cones, the male cone or the terminal cluster of the microsporangiophyll, such as the pollen cone of the conifer. Mega is the suffix that originally denotes large, but in botanical sense we take it for the female. Megaspore mother cell is the megasporocyte. Diploid cell destined to undergo meiosis to produce megaspore. In seed plant, this cell is buried in the tissue of the megasporangium. Megasporangium is the nucleus is the seed. Nucleus in the seed, okay. It is surrounded by the sterile tissues, which is called integument. Integument retain both the nucleus and the megametophytes, keeping this generation bound to the sporophyte. Integument is the sterile tissue surrounded by the nucleus, and this tissue matures into a seed pod. Megaspore haploid cells resulting from the meiosis of the megasporocytes, and it develops into a megametophyte. In seed plant, the megaspore is not released, but it retains in the nucleus. Ovules, the integument together with the nucleus, forms the ovule. Later stages includes the megagametophyte and embryo. Megagametophyte is the female gametophyte. Okay? So, in the seed plants, it retains on the sporophyte of the nucleus. In the gymnosperm, the megagametophyte is present in the mature ovule, or you can call it as seed. Okay? So, which is functional as the food storage tissue for embryo. In the angiosperm, this generation is destroyed by the double fertilization. Megasporophylls are the modified leaves bearing the megasporangia. Not all seed plants that have, but cycads are one of the group which have megasporophylls. In flowering plant, megasporophyll is termed as carpel. Megasporogenate cones, the structure composed of subunit bearing ovules. These subunits are not megasporophylls, but scales in the conifer. So the next is seed. Seed is the mature ovule bearing a young sporophyte or an embryo, what we call, complete with a food storage tissue covered by a seed coat derived from the intestine. Okay. So these are the few terms you have to remember when you are learning the gameto about the gymnosperm. Okay. Conifers are the seed plants of all which have only stems. Okay. And their life cycle does not include the motile sperms. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, please write down in the comment box. We will resolve it